When we were vacationing here recently at my parents' house down in Florida, we decided very last minute to make them an outdoor dining table for the back patio. Now, in order to be able to seat my family, my parents, as well as my brother's family, we needed to sit 10 people, and that resulted in a 10-foot long table. To get started, we ended up cutting down the boards for the top, which are 2x12s to 10 feet. We also cut down 2x4 aprons and 4x4 posts for the legs. After getting all the boards cut down to size, then we wanted to move on to staining all the sides of each of those boards. Now for the stain, we ended up going with an outdoor deck stain in a semi-transparent, and since we're using pine here, we wanted to be able to use something that would kind of more or less sit on top of the wood and act as a protective layer, but it also prevents that blotchiness that you can sometimes get with a regular wood stain. As well, since it is an outdoor deck stain, it adds that waterproofing layer that's going to protect that untreated lumber from those exterior elements. With all the board stained, then we can move on to the assembly process. Now, to keep things simple, we ended up using the Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL, which is great because the larger screws are going to give us that extra holding power that we needed to mount or join those 2x4 aprons to the 4x4 legs. We also drilled some holes up through the aprons and the internal supports of the base, and that is going to allow us to be able to connect the top later on in the process. The other option, which had I thought of at the time, I probably would have gone with it, was to leave a 1/4-inch gap between each of those boards. That's going to make it a lot easier as far as not having to worry about getting those joints completely sealed up between those boards, but it's also going to allow the boards to expand and contract individually versus all of them being tied together and to the base. Overall, I love how the table turned out. The color is perfect, and having a 10-foot long table that can seat my family, my brother's family, and my parents all at the same time is perfect for our outdoor patio. If you want the full plans for this build, make sure you click on the link in the description. As well, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do so you won't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, be safe and happy building.